In today's video, I'll show you how to secure your WordPress login from brute force attacks. Protecting your login page is one of the simplest and most effective ways to keep your website safe. By default, WordPress uses WP admin and WP login, PHP as login URLs. These are widely known and often targeted by attackers using automated password guessing tools. To reduce this risk, we'll change the login URL using a plugin called WPS Hide Login. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, click on Plugins, then select Add New. In the search bar, type WPS Hide Login. Once you see the plugin, click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, go to Settings in the left sidebar and click on WPS Hide Login. Here you'll see an option to set a custom login URL. Enter a unique and memorable path that only you would know. Once done, click Save Changes. From now on, the default WordPress login URLs will no longer work, and anyone trying to access them will be blocked. This small change adds a strong layer of protection against brute force attacks. Make sure to bookmark your new login URL so you don't lose access. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment for more WordPress security tips.